Welcome to Market Peeker. Ready to dive into crypto but don't know how to set up a wallet? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Today, we'll walk you through setting up your first cryptocurrency wallet, step by step. First, decide between a hot wallet, like Trust Wallet or MetaMask, for quick access, or a cold wallet, like Ledger or Trezor, for secure, long-term storage. For this guide, let's use a free hot wallet app, like Trust Wallet. It's beginner-friendly and supports many coins. Step 1. Download the app from the official website or app store. Beware of fake apps. Double-check the logo and reviews. Step 2. Create a new wallet. The app will prompt you to set up a unique wallet and provide a recovery phrase, a series of 24 words. Write these down and keep them offline. This is your backup, so never share it. Step 3. Set a strong PIN or password to secure your wallet. This adds an extra layer of protection in case your device is lost. Step 4. Add cryptocurrency. Once your wallet is set up, you can receive coins by copying your public wallet address and using it to transfer funds from an exchange or another wallet. And that's it. You're ready to start managing your crypto. Always keep your recovery phrase safe and regularly update your security settings for peace of mind. Let us know in the comments, what wallet are you setting up first?